Waxing for beginners, a painless guide to smooth skin. Tired of shaving every day? Ready for silky smooth skin that lasts? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of waxing, and this guide will help you through your first experience. Your first waxing experience, a step-by-step guide. Let's start by choosing the right wax. There are two main types, hard wax and soft wax. For barely their hair, soft wax is generally your best bet. It's perfect for finer hair and gives a smooth finish. Hard wax is thicker and works well on sensitive areas like the face or bikini line, while soft wax is ideal for larger areas like your legs or arms. If you have sensitive skin, look for waxes with soothing ingredients like aloe or chamomile. Preparation is key. Before waxing, make sure to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. Another crucial tip, ensure your hair is about 1/4 inch long. This length allows the wax to grip the hair effectively for the best results. Now, let's move on to the waxing technique. Apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth. This helps the wax adhere better to the hair for easier removal. When it's time to remove the wax, pull the strip quickly against the direction of hair growth. Quick and confident movements minimize discomfort. Immediately after removing the wax, apply gentle pressure to the area. This simple trick can help reduce any lingering sting. Now that you're done waxing, it's time for aftercare. Apply aloe vera or a cooling gel to calm any irritation and soothe the skin. For the next 24–48 hours, avoid exfoliating, swimming, or using harsh products. This helps your skin heal and prevents irritation. And to keep ingrown hairs at bay, gently exfoliate a few days after waxing. And that's it. You're now ready to tackle your first waxing experience with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and grooming tips. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.